Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss. We'll be giving you a full guide on how to turn off the Save Live to Archive feature on Instagram in 2023. So let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you've opened the app, you'll be directed to the Instagram feed, where you can see the latest posts from accounts you follow. Now, tap on your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. On your profile page, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. Tap on them to access the Instagram menu. In the Instagram menu, you'll find various options. Look for Settings and Privacy. It's usually the first option in the menu. Tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down to the Your App and Media section. This is where you can customize your Instagram app settings. Within the Your App and Media section, you'll find the option for archiving and downloading. Tap on it to access the archiving settings. Now, look for the Save Live to Archive option. If this feature is turned on, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Tap on the switch to turn off the Save Live to Archive feature. Congratulations! You have successfully turned off the Save Live to Archive feature on Instagram. This means that your live videos will no longer be automatically saved to your archive. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to turn off the Save Live to Archive feature on Instagram in 2023. By following these simple steps, you can have more control over your live videos and choose whether or not to save them. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable guides and tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.